In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a day trading tracker in Google Sheets. The quickest way to build a reliable trading tracker is to start with a pre-built Google Sheets template. Templates save time because the formulas, dashboards, and key tracking columns are already set up, so you can focus on logging trades consistently instead of building everything from scratch. There are several solid community options out there, including templates that track profit and loss, R multiples, and tagging for different setups. For this walkthrough, we will be using a free trading journal template made for day traders. First, open the trading journal template in Google Sheets. You will be viewing a shared sheet that is meant to be copied, not edited directly. Once it is open, look near the top of the sheet for the option to make your own copy. Click through the highlighted prompts to copy the file into your Google Drive. As you move through these on-screen selections, you are essentially confirming where the file will be saved and that you are creating your own editable version. Take a second to name the file something clear, like a day trading tracker with the current year, so you can find it quickly later. After the copy is created, you will land inside your own version of the spreadsheet. Now you will start navigating the built-in pages. Click into the tab labeled All Trades. This is the main log where your entries will go. You will see the template already structured with columns designed for day trading details, and the sheet will calculate results based on what you enter. Click into the highlighted cells across the row to get familiar with the fields. When you begin using it daily, a helpful habit is to fill in each trade the same way every time, because consistent inputs make the dashboards and summaries much more accurate. Once you have reviewed the All Trades area, move to the tab labeled Calendar View. This view is built to help you scan performance by day, using the data you log in the trade list. Click through the highlighted areas on this page to explore how the calendar pulls in and displays your results. From here, you have a working day trading tracker in Google Sheets, ready for you to start recording trades and reviewing your progress. And that covers everything you need to know.